the lockdown formula review and $3,297 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this face mask is needed because we are in the pandemic obviously, but also because of this product. It's called the Lockdown Formula and it's being released by Jono Armstrong, and it's about making money during the pandemic. So while you are staying at home, you have nothing else to do, why not make some money? And this is the easiest formula out there because it focuses on affiliate marketing. Okay, so essentially you grab your link, send some traffic to it and make money. Okay, so this is simple and fast to actually implement. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything there is to know about it, and I have a huge $3,297 bonus to it, including softwares, including a reseller license, including multiple W's of the day ordered products. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this The Lockdown Formula review. And this is the sales page. So as you can see, we have Jono right here in a face mask, and as you can see it says The Lockdown Formula, how to quickly turn spare time into daily passive income without any previous experience. So again, recession and crisis proof, takes just minutes per day and backed by real results. Now the cool thing about making money online is that you don't have to leave your home. So actually during this whole quarantine, this whole lockdown, nothing really changed for me apart, being able to go to the gym. I'm still doing the same thing, and I'm actually making more money now because a lot of people want to get into making money online. So this is what you can start doing, and why you can start making money right now. So obviously, they talk about the crisis here, and this is released by Jono, David, and Zishan. So three marketers, well known, you probably know them. Scrolling down, so they have tons of proof. Okay, so David made $30,000 in the last 30 days, Jono made $100,000 in the last 30 days, and Zishan made $100,000 between January and April. So the stuff that these guys are doing actually works, and I'm going to show you the inside in a second. Okay, so again, the Lockdown Formula, that's the name of this new product. Some testimonials, some bonuses, and a 30 days money back guarantee as always. That's essentially it. Obviously you can go through it in your own time. Let me show you the inside. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna get is training on affiliate marketing. Okay, and then traffic training is actually separate. So we have the welcome video, we have the overview of the Lockdown Formula, introduction to the training, what is affiliate marketing, the main affiliate networks, how to find offers and get approved. And now we have the Lockdown Formula method part 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, and how to set it up, how to actually build the list while you are making commissions. So it's a very, very smart way of actually doing affiliate marketing instead of just grabbing your link and sending traffic to it. Okay, then we have resources, and in resources you can see we got Tiger's traffic. So you're actually getting a second complete course all about traffic, and inside Tiger's traffic you're getting a total of 10 different methods. Okay, so this is how you're going to be generating all the traffic for the Lockdown Formula. Okay, so let me go through all of the methods right here. So as you can see, we have the overview, then traffic method number 1, mailers, number 2, traffic exchanges, number 3, Facebook, number 4, Quora, number 5, classified ad boards, number 6, blogging, number 7, YouTube, number 8, LinkedIn, number 9, Reddit, and number 10, email signatures. And obviously you can use just 1 or 2 or 3 or all 10 of these methods. Now if you think, I've heard about this, I've seen this before, this is actually something that is pulled out of a case study. Okay, so it's not like someone just tells you, okay, you can generate traffic from Reddit. David actually goes inside and he shows you exactly how to do it. Okay, so you got 10 different traffic methods, and again, even if you already know 1 or 2, all 10, this is a perfect mix, and they are all free, so you don't have to invest anything in traffic. Okay, so that's all the traffic methods. Then we have a conclusion right here, so just a video to end this whole Lockdown Formula product, and that's essentially it. So again, you're getting 2 different things. You're getting all the affiliate marketing training and you're getting all the traffic training. Traffic is free, and as you can see, we also have some upgrades right here. So let's talk about all of the upgrades and the pricing. Okay, so the lockdown formula will be $9.97. Okay, so guys, less than $10. It's a no-brainer. You know, you're actually getting a total of 2 courses, and you're getting 10 different free traffic methods with case studies. Okay, so no brainer, $9.97, and keep in mind this is the early bird price, so the price will go up after the launch. Upgrade number 1, $27. We have the Lockdown Formula Pro. So right here you're getting a total of 6 done for you campaigns. All you have to do is just add your links to them. You also gonna get product reviews, product demos, bonuses to add to these, and unlimited access to a squeeze page builder. Okay, oh, and by the way, what I didn't mention is that you are getting a squeeze page builder software with the lockdown formula. Okay, so this is how you're going to be building your squeeze pages and where you're going to be sending the traffic to. Now we have the lockdown formula upgrade number 2, $47, and as you can see, this is 6x super solo. So here you're actually going to be able to send a solo ad, which is an email with your link in it, to the members of 25 of Jono's membership sites. Okay, so they have 16,000 people inside, and you can actually send 6 emails to these members. Okay, so that's $47. Then we have upgrade number 3, $67, and this is the lockdown formula quadruple resellers license. So what you're getting is actually a reseller's license to the lockdown formula plus 3 additional products. Okay, so not 1 reseller's license, but a total of 4. $67, very low price on this. And lastly, we have upgrade number 4, $197, and this is the lockdown formula done for you setup and coaching. So here you're gonna get your sales pages set up for you. You're gonna receive up to 3 Skype coaching sessions, and you can obviously promote all of this. This is all done for you, and these guys will help you out personally. Okay, so guys, as always, OTOs are optional, and you'll be fine with the main product alone. It's $9.97, total no-brainer. But again, maybe if you want the pro version or the resellers, which is a resellers for a total of 4 products, then you can definitely pick one of these up. Now let me show you all of my bonuses, and if you want to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just pick up the lockdown formula through my link. You should pick it up anyway, so why not get all of these bonuses from me for free, just as a thank you for picking up through my link. Okay, so the lockdown formula goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 13th. First of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, and these 3 custom-made bonuses are about 3 different traffic sources that you can send to your affiliate offers. Okay, so you're getting 10 traffic formulas. With the traffic part of the lockdown formula, you're getting an additional 3 from me. Okay, now I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling products: Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. So as you saw, normally these go for at least $67 to $197, and you're getting a total of 3 from me. You're also going to get Buyers List Ninja, my own course on how to generate a buyers list, create a buyers list. Okay, so this is an exclusive bonus from me. You're also going to get Urgency Suites Pro, which is a piece of software for affiliate marketers, an absolute must-have, and it's $27 right now. I'm also going to give you a bunch of W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses: the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Profitable, 10x Commissions, 10K online a month, Blaze, Flip Me, Cube Traffic Avalanche, and a case study on free traffic. And I'm not done, because you're also getting a total of 20 plugins and softwares on top of all this. Okay, so Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin with sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, IS, Popbox, Sales Bar, Short Call to Action, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. Now, that's a total of 41 bonuses, but I'm not done, because you are getting my mega bonus as well. So my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and you can go and check it out by going to artofmarketingblog.com/mega bonus. So check it out, and this will mean that you're getting a total of $3,297. Again, all for free, just as a thank you for picking up the lockdown formula through my link, and it's only $9.97. So a pretty crazy deal. And as always, guys, I have a full written review right here. So this will include the funnel, this will include, you know, all of these written parts if you like to read through a review, a part of just watching this review video. And right now, let's sum up the lockdown formula review. So this is something that is recession and crisis proof. Okay, so proof is in the pudding. You know, affiliate marketers or, you know, online marketers are making more money than ever because everyone is stuck at home and they have nothing else to do but you know, try to use all of these online tools and online courses, and you know, try to learn, try to get into making money online. So everyone is making more money. It takes just minutes per day to set up. It's backed by real results from free top marketers. Step by step, simple, no experience needed. That's the big one. You can live the laptop lifestyle, obviously, and you get a 30 days money back guarantee, which means there is no risk. And again, the price is $9.97, guys. You know, a total no-brainer. What I don't like about the lockdown formula, the only thing that I could think about is that once you're inside, you might think, okay, I've already seen this. Okay, so I've seen the traffic methods, I've seen, you know, courses about affiliate marketing. But with that being said, the lockdown formula is based on case studies from Jono, from David, and from Zishan, three top marketers, and they are making money this way. So, you know, don't try to reinvent the wheel. If they are making money this way, you can make money this way. And again, you know, the first impression might be, oh, I've seen this before, but did you actually implement it and did you actually see results? That's the big question. So just follow the step-by-step training to a T and you will see results. It's almost guaranteed. Okay, so guys, again, check out my full written review, including all of these bonuses I got for you. And again, the lockdown formula is going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 13th. And before we go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. All you have to do is go to your purchase history right here on Warrior Plus. Click on the lockdown formula, and then below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art, and this is done automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts. And I really like it because I know that a ton of you guys are stuck at home and maybe you've even lost your job and, you know, you're just trying to make some extra money online just to help to pay the bills. I've been there. I know how it feels. I know it sucks, but the good news is, you know, you can pick this up for less than 10 bucks and start making money with this in the hundreds per day. Okay, so just, you need tunnel vision, focus on this. This works. It works for me, it works for Jono, it works for Zishan and David, it works for, you know, a number of different people that are focused on it. Okay, so just don't buy it and jump from one course to the next Don't buy another course the next day. Buy this lockdown formula and you should see results with it. Just focus on this. Okay, so guys, good luck with it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.